This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first step is to download and install the free application that is called TurboVPN. That's exactly the tool that we are going to use in order to, well, connect this device to VPN. Upon installing, you gotta obviously launch it. In here, go for the agree and continue option. Then skip this ad. Tap at the caret icon over here to connect your device to VPN. As you can see by this little indicator at the status bar, the VPN connection was successfully established. While at it, you can change the server or the country even that you are connected to. So let's say I'll reconnect myself from UK to France. And once you're ready to disconnect, just tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will do it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.